Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the SWIFT code of Butterfield Bank using a quick and reliable Google search. So yes, let's get started. Start by opening your browser. This works both on mobile and desktop. So in the search bar, type something simple and clear like Butterfield Bank SWIFT code. Or Butterfield Bank SWIFT code for Bermuda, UK, Jersey, depending on the location you are looking for. So I will just type Bermuda. Okay, hit search. So Google will usually display the correct SWIFT code right at the top of the results in a quick snippet. So click on results from trusted websites like the official Butterfield Bank website, or swift.com, bankcodes.com or wise.com, which are known for listing verified international bank codes. So for example, searching Butterfield Bank Bermuda may show you something like this. Always copy the code carefully and verify it on the official Butterfield Bank site for full accuracy. So if you're ever unsure, scroll to the bottom of the official website and contact Butterfield support. They can confirm the right code based on your location or transaction type. Important reminder, SWIFT codes can differ by branch and country, so make sure to use the one that matches your recipient's location or account branch. And yes, that's how simple it is to find Butterfield Bank SWIFT code using Google. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone needing to send an international wire transfer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.